guys, as Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. I'm on board the 2025 MasterCraft NXT22. This boat has a dry weight of 4,700 pounds and an additional 3,000 pounds of ballast. It is also powered by an ILMOR 6.0L engine. As you can see on the back of the boat, you have this big sun pad lounge area. You have the Seadek transom walkthrough. Some features on this boat is the Z6 tower, wakeboard racks, Klipsch audio all throughout the boat, and 2 tower speakers. You have charging ports all throughout the boat. As we move to the helm here, you have bolster seating on the captain's chair and MasterCraft's well-known SurfStar system to make it seamless setup and beginner-friendly to set up weights. If you want to see this boat in person, stop by our store at our Monkey Island store, or give me a call at 918-676-6868.